Can a tiny bird stop a raging forest fire? Sounds impossible, right? Once a forest caught fire, animals ran for their lives. But one little bird didn't run. She kept flying to the river, picking a drop of water in her beak and dropping it on the flames. The animals laughed. "Are you crazy? What difference can you make?" The bird replied, "Maybe I can't stop the fire, but I will do my part." Suddenly, the skies turned dark, clouds gathered and rain started pouring. The fire was gone. Never underestimate your effort. Small actions can spark big changes.